I'm wearing a beautiful grey color saree with red color border and mata. So this is a cotton linen material, very comfortable and like for light functions వేసుకోవడానికి లేకుంటే ఆఫీస్ పర్పస్లో ఆఫీస్ నుంచి ఎక్కడైనా ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉందంటే so you can prefer these collections. So Mugdha is bringing you this collections for the first time అండి. And one special thing ఏంటంటే we are even having blouses, so there is no tension with the blouses at all. So మ్యానిక్వీన్లో ఉన్న సారీస్ చూపిస్తాను. So look at this beautiful saree అండి. The light lavender color, very comfortable saree. Check motifs. So this is in cotton linen material and beautiful blouse, ready-made blouse. So free size undani, so there should not be any problem. So this is a very simple and elegant collection what I am showing you. So here goes our next saree. So this is an organza material andi and lace finish ochindi. It's a beautiful lace finish. So very comfortable and simple saree. And along with this saree we have this beautiful blouse. So మొత్తం బ్లౌజ్ లో థ్రెడ్ వర్క్ వచ్చింది అన్నమాట. So this is a lovely collection what I'm showing you. So let me quickly start. So next వచ్చేసి lighter shade of blue color andi, very simple saree. So there's no much work here, only plain simple saree andi and border lace work ochindi black color lo. And this is the pallu, beautiful design on the pallu andi. So blouse వచ్చేసి this is how it is. So you got high neck on the blouse, so it looks like an office wear and very comfortable material. And this is the front and this is the back. And look at the arms, so free size andi, so there should not be any problem. So this is a collar one with buttons, beautiful blouse, and it's a free size blouse, so there should not be any problem with the size. And we've got a beautiful tassel only on the saree here. So a tassel wala is giving a beauty and matter. And the price for this saree is 5,900. Next saree is this dark maroon color. And we have got beautiful shine on the saree, you can see. And cut borders vachayandi. So we have got cut borders and matter. And simple work vachayandi, golden low, borders low. And all over the saree, the body of the saree is plain and matter. And this is the pallu andi. Look at this beautiful pallu. We've got tassels also on it. And ready-made blouse. So this is the pallu. Let me show you properly. Lovely tassels actually. And the tassels. So let me show you the back of the saree. So this is a look of the saree. So this is the back of the saree andi, and this is the front. This is how it is. So this is basically satin material andi, and let me show you the blouse. This is the blouse. This is the front. Zip vachayandi front lo. Free size blouse, so there should not be any problem with the size. And this is the back. So we have this beautiful neck on the back. And the price for this saree is 6,300. So these are all very comfortable western style sarees andi, along with blouses. So here goes the next saree in blue color, navy blue color lo vachai. And ikkada pearl work vachayandi on the border stick pearl work vachai. And look at the finishing. This is the beautiful finishing andi, cut work. And this is the pallu. Tassels kuda vachayandi on the pallu. Beautiful tassels. And blouse chupistanu. Blouse వచ్చేసి this is ours. And we have got the sequin sequence work, thread work on the neck part. And this is the back of the blouse. So we've got this beautiful tassel on the back as well. So now I'm going to show you the price of this saree is 8,650. Here's the next saree in green color. So very plain, comfortable sarees and Ivani. So as I have told you, this is for office purpose. And yellow color finishing border వచ్చాయి. Thread work వచ్చాయండి borders లో. And pallu వచ్చేసి this is how it is. So we got these beautiful tassels on the pallu andi. So it looks very elegant. And blouse చూపిస్తాను. So blouse వచ్చేసి this is how it is. So this is the back. We have got this thread work ready. If you see the details, this is the front. So the next saree, the price saree is 6,600. So as I've told you, these are all beautiful, elegant sarees for office wear purpose and being very comfortable. So here goes the next saree. Lighter shade of peach color. And look at this work. Thread work on the borders. Cut finish borders. Beautiful floral design icharu with the beautiful thread work andi, and this is the finishing of the saree. We've got this tassel as well andi on the finishing of the saree. And let me show you the blouse. So this is the blouse. So this is a free size blouse andi, so there should not be any problem with the size. Thread work. And this is the back. And let me show you the price of this saree. The price of Chesi 8,600. So this is the next saree. Very simple and elegant saree. So the body of the saree is very plain and neat. Someone is looking for a very simple saree but elegant look, so this is the one only for office wears and functions and all. And this is the border. And this is the finishing of the saree. Let me show you the blouse. So blouse వచ్చేసి ఇలా వచ్చిందండి. Blouse లో thread work వచ్చాయి, beautiful golden work కూడా వచ్చాయండి. And this is the back. Look at the design of the hands. So this is how it is. So very beautifully designed and all these blouses, and it's a free size, so there should not be any problem with the size. And coming to the price, yeah, the price of Chesi 6,300. So here's a lovely saree, green and bottle green color lo vachai, and stripe work chudandi, golden lo vachai, beautiful stripe work. Beautiful golden stripe work vachayandi, very simple and elegant sarees ivanni. And we have got the cut finish on the borders on both the sides. And this is the finishing of the saree. We have the tassels on the finishing as well. And let me show you the blouse for this saree. So we have got this high neck blouse. Beautifully designed high neck blouse for all these sarees. This is the front only and this is the back. And arms వచ్చేసి ఇలా plain వచ్చాయి. Beautiful work, embroidery work on the borders. And the price for this saree is 5,600. So for orders, this is the contact number 9949047889. Just take a screenshot and send it to us and we will be there to assist you. And we have mentioned the Google Pay numbers as well, so that you can make the payment online. So here's another lovely saree in beautiful yellow color. So very light yellow and ఇది. And చాలా simple and elegant saree. So look at the borders, cut borders వచ్చాయండి checks లో. And the main thing is very affordable price అండి. And this is the design which we have got on the complete body of the saree. Just look at the design, details. So it looks like a flower pot. So it looks like a fish as well. So this is the pallu. And the blouse వచ్చేసి, this is how it is. Stitched, ready-made, beautiful designed blouses for all these sarees. So lovely design. Piping వచ్చాయండి golden లో చూడండి. And you got buttons. Beautiful neck design. And arms వచ్చేసి ఇలా plain వచ్చాయండి. And finishing వచ్చేసి piping golden లో ఇచ్చారు. And the price for this saree is 5,600. So this is the next one in black. Very beautiful and elegant saree. So body of the saree వచ్చేసి plain వచ్చాయండి. And borders లో frill design వచ్చాయి. With beautiful simple work అన్నమాట. చూడండి. This is the finishing of the saree. So lovely finishing of the saree, and let me show you the blouse. This is a beautiful designed blouse for this saree. Just check the details and the beautiful embroidery work వచ్చాయి, and floral prints వచ్చాయి, and black piping ఇచ్చారు. This is the front and the back is like this. So we have got this zip on the back. So very lovely saree and the blouse, and the price is 5,900. So all these sarees are really affordable prices, Ali, and I'm loving almost all of them. So you too start ordering before missing out. Here goes the next saree in black, and lovely design. Simple sarees and elegant design. Look at this design in the middle. Thread work and golden zari తో చేశారు చూడండి. And silver color shine వచ్చింది border లో. So silver color piping అన్నమాట finishing లో. And the pallu is like this. Look at this lovely tassels, leaf అన్నమాట, leaf shaped tassels. Check the details. And now let me show you what's in for the blouse. Let me show you. The blouse is like this. So very beautiful blouse for this black saree. This is the front part only. Look at the shine of the blouse. It's a very unique material anamata. It's got some velvet finish. And this is the back. We've got zip in the back, so it'll be very comfortable. And also thread sequence work only. Just look at the details. And it's a free size blouse for all these exquisite sarees, so there should not be a problem with the size. And the price for this saree is 6,300. Here's the next saree in green color. ప్లెయిన్ సారీ అండి. ఆల్ ఓవర్ ది సారీ ఏమి డిజైన్ లేదు, చాలా సింపుల్గా వచ్చాయి. అండ్ సారీలో బ్యూటిఫుల్ షైన్ అవుతుందండి. I hope you can see the shine on the saree. It's a kind of a silk material. Chala mettaga vastundi ivanni. All the materials are very soft andi. Look at the shine of the material and borders lo enta beautiful design vachayi. So golden lo work vachayi and also the print anamata, golden print. And cut borders. So cut finish border. And the pallu is like this. Along with those beautiful tassels. Lovely tassels. And let me show you the blouse. So cream color lo chandy blouse. This is the front. So front lo zip icharu. Piping golden finish lo icharandi. And manka work is also there along with the prints. You can see the manka work also. And arms is like this andi. Simple lo chai. And the back is like this. So this is the back. So front zip icharu, back plain icharu. And the price for this saree ochesi 6,300 only. This is a beautiful yellow color saree. Chala simple ga vachayandi. Anybody who wants to wear plain, simple and elegant sarees, so this is the best collection andi. And look at the borders, frill border, pink color lo checks lo vachai. And golden work and thread work lo finishing vachayandi. So it's a very simple and beautiful saree. And it's a linen cotton material. And this is the finishing of the saree. You can take a single pallu also. It looks elegant. And the blouse. Wow, such a lovely blouse for this saree. It's a very pretty design. Very stylish saree and the blouse. This is the arms andi. So you have fold chesi ochi. You got this button here. So let me show you properly. This is the arms. High neck. And you've also got a belt pattern. It's not belt exactly, just the finishing. And the price for this saree. So the price for this saree is 6,300. That was a very lightweight saree as well. So here goes the next saree in dark shade of navy blue color and red color border ochai. Stripe motifs, golden lo chayandi. Very elegant saree, simple and beautiful saree. And borders, cut borders. You can see in red color. So very stylish sarees and bunny. So that's why I've told you that you can wear it for office purpose or any kind of functions related to office. And this is the pallu. And let me show you what we have for the blouse. So this is a beautiful design. High neck blouse ochayandi. And look at the work here, sequins and beautiful thread work. So very stylish blouse. And arms lo kuda design vachai. So this is the front part and the back part is like this. So that was a lovely saree andi. Let me tell you the price. Price vachesi 5,600. So here goes the next saree in cream color. Frill border, very comfortable lightweight sarees andi. And this is the finishing. Just check the finishing andi. We have got in frill and golden kardana work lo cheyandi, and along with that we have this piping. So beautiful design. You can take a single pallu or even you can pleat it any which ways. This is the finishing of the saree. So let's see what we have for the blouse. So such a lovely blouse. A very lovely designer blouse అండి. So look at the details. High neck వచ్చాయి and high neck లో కర్దానా వర్క్ వచ్చాయండి. Golden kardanas on the high neck. Thread work all over the dress, all over the blouse. And we've got these buttons and mata. And arms look for the finishing. We've got the finishing on the arms as well like this. So free size blouse, so you can get it stitched as per your size. And the price for this sari or chesi is 6,800. This is the next sari in green color. So bottle green color and mata. And ikkada manaki golden prints vachayandi all over the body of the sari. If you look at the details, along with that we have the stone work. So this is a floral print, golden print, and this is the stone work. So all over the sari we have that beautiful design and mata. And finishing cut borders, cut border finishing. And let's see what is there in the blouse. This is a lovely blouse we have for this sari. So high neck blouses, thread work on the neck part, and here we have this net part to see the details, Andy. So netted material of beautiful embroidery work vachai. This is the front part and this is the arms, and the back is like this. So this, we have this beautiful back. And the price for this sari 6,600. And we have this tassel as well. 6,600 is the price. Here goes a next sari, blue color and sky blue color. Plain body of the sari and beautiful finishing borders and mata. So we have this border and like this. Along with golden finish here. And we've got this beautiful shine on the sari as well, and very comfortable soft sari. Let me show you the pallu properly. So this is how the pallu is. Cut finish. And look at that beautiful floral tassel, Andy. And let me show you the blouse for this sari. So the blouse is like this. High neck, beautifully designed blouse. This is the front part, this is the arms part, and the back is like this. So this is a beautiful design. I hope you could see the design. So this was a lovely sari, and the price for this sari is 6,800. So please do not miss out, Sandeep. Quickly take a screenshot and send it to us at 9949047889, and we will be there to assist you happily. And these are the GPay numbers where you have to make the payment online. And we are also having international courier services apart from shipping all over India. So here's the next sari in yellow color. This is a lovely sari, so chala plain and beautifully designed uchindi. So look at the design here. We have this checks and mata, half of the sari lo, with prints and beautiful poti work in red color and golden work as well. And the border, this is the finish of the border, Andy. So golden piping vachai borders lo. It's a very lovely sari, and this is the pallu. Tassels vachai, Andy, this part. They've given lovely tassels. And let me show you the blouse, Andy, for this sari. So this is how the blouse looks. So we have this beautiful collar, very stylish blouse. Neck lo work వచ్చాయి. And this is the arms. So we have full hands only. So this is a full hands blouse. So it's a very beautifully designed blouse. High neck and full hands. This is the front and this is the back. Such a lovely design. And the price for this saree, 7,100 is the price. Next saree chuseda. So this is a very pretty peach color saree. So chala simple saree indeed. We have got beautiful shine on the saree and look at the thread work all over the body of the saree here. So we have got this golden print along with that beautiful thread work on mata floral low, and borders are like cut borders, and we have got this moti work, beautiful cut border. And this is the pallu. So beautiful tassel ochayandi ikkada kuda. Just look at the details of the tassel. A very pretty saree, and let me show you the blouse for this saree. So this is the blouse and this is the front, and so we have got thread work and golden zari work on it, and this is the back. Arms are of like netted material and finishing like this cut border finishing. And the price for this saree, 7,400 is the price. So this is in cream color. So beautiful plain saree and we have got this beauty in the border. So beautiful golden prints on the border. And this is the finishing of the saree. And this is the tassel we have here. So lovely tassel. And the blouse with chassis, it's like this. Beautiful blouse. This is the front and this is the back. This is the icharu back low and arms వచ్చేసి this is ours. Full hands వచ్చేసి. And let me show you the price for this saree. 4,800. Here's a black saree, plain, beautiful black. Anybody who's a black lover and looking for a very simple saree for office wear, this is the best one. Check borders, so beautiful borders, and saree is very comfortable skin hugging material andi. So it's the body hugging material, chala mettaga undi material, so very comfortable. And this is the pallu, and we have got this beautiful tassel, so lovely tassel and mata. And let me show you the blouse for this saree. So this is the blouse. This is the front and this is the back. Hands వచ్చేసి half వచ్చాయి. So this is the hands. So we've got this half hands. And the price for this saree, 4,400 is the price. Next saree. So this is a very lighter shade of yellow and mata, sandalwood creamish yellow. And we have got this lovely design. So I have shown you previously same pattern saree and this is in different color. So So look at the work we have all over the sari. So this is the work we have, and borders are like check cut work. And look at the borders, cut work, beautiful border. Chala comfortable material andi, and very easy to carry. This is the finishing of the sari, and let me show you the blouse. This is the blouse, very beautifully designed. Look at the details. This is the front part, and you'll be happy to see the back as well. This is the beautiful back part of this blouse. So net వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట, transparent back. And arms వచ్చేసి it's half andi, half arms. Check design all over the blouse. And the price for this sari is 6,300. So let me show you the next sari in red color. Simple and elegant sari andi. So we've got this design on the all over the sari. So this beautiful design, and one puti there, and the finishing of the border is like this cut finish border and mata on both the sides. So these are very comfortable saris, and this is the pallu along with this beautiful tassel we've got, such a lovely tassel, and the blouse is like this. Wow, very pretty blouse indeed. This is the front. So thread work uchayandi on the neck collars. And arms are like this, 3/4, and this is the finishing, and the back is like this. So the price for this sari is 6,600 is the price. Simple and elegant sari that was. Here goes the next sari. Very lovely sari. And beautiful border. So very plain sari andi. Beautiful grey color and sky blue color finishing, cut finish, thread work and poti work on the borders. And this is the pallu. We have got the tassels on the pallu. Lovely design. Very cute tassels, and if you see the details, beautiful finishing. And let me show you the blouse andi. This is the blouse. Such a stylish blouse. This is the front. And this is the back. And this is the arm. So it's a half. Free size blouse only, so there should not be any problem with the size and matter. And coming to the price of this sari, this is 7,100. Next sari chusedam. So here goes the darker shade of navy blue color sari. Chala simple plain sari andi. Body of the sari is very simple, and borders low. Look at the cut borders in white color and the golden work on it. So the borders are really beautiful for this plain saris andi. So that's what which is giving the beauty in all these saris. Simple and elegant saris. This is the pallu part, along with those beautiful tassels. And blouse చూసేద్దాం. Blouse వచ్చేసి this is a beautiful blouse like this. Very stylish blouse అన్నమాట. Very professional, and this is the arm, hands half వచ్చాయి. This is the front and this is the back. And the price for this saree is 5,900. Next saree, pink color. Very plain saree andi. Pink color lo border lo kardana and cream color finishing icharu. Very lovely border. So if you take it single pallu or even if you pleat it any which ways, it's gonna look beautiful. And this is the finishing of the saree with this beautiful kardana tassel over it. ఎంత బాగుందండి sarees లో tassels. Just giving a beauty on the saree. And let me show you the blouse now. Wow, beautiful design. This is the front andi. Just see the details. So half part net lo వచ్చాయి అన్నమాట. And this is the back. Such a stylish blouse, and 300. So this is another saree in very lighter shade, beige color. Check motifs golden lo chayandi, and finishing ochesi black piping. So very lovely saree. So each and every saree has its own unique beauty. You can see very comfortable office wear or for light functions, office related anything, you can wear these sarees and go. And this is the pallu part, which has got beautiful tassels along. Let me show you the blouse for this saree andi. So this is a lovely blouse we have. So it's a free size blouse, so it should not be a problem with the size. This is the front. We have got golden piping, beautiful prints along with golden work. And this is the back. So back చాలా beautifully designed చేశారు. And arms వచ్చేసి, so we have this half hands. And the price for this saree is 4,800. Very lightweight sarees. Here goes the next one in navy blue color. So cut finish border, beautiful thread work, and if you can see, body of the saree is plain, and we've got the beauty on the borders here. We've got the thread work and finishing. So these are all beautiful bangle motifs and matter, thread work. And this is the finishing of the saree. Let me show you properly. So beautiful cut work and even on the borders, and look at the tassel over there. And the blouse వచ్చేసి, this is a blouse. Beautiful combination. Very stylish blouse. Piping ఇచ్చారు blue color లో. Hands are like this. So we've got this work here as well. And the price for this saree is 7,800. Next saree, green color. So this is a very lovely saree andi. So body of the saree వచ్చేసి plain వచ్చాయి, and borders low we have got this finishing yellow color and golden prints and mata. Look at the details of this border. Golden prints వచ్చాయండి. Along with that we have got this cut border and sequins as well. And the sari has got a beautiful shine, let me tell you that. And this is the pallu. And the blouse is like this. This is a beautiful blouse in front. It's a very contrast yellow color. Look at the arms part. So hands and the beautiful go chai. And beautiful floral prints kuda vachayi. And this is the back. And the price of this sari is 4,800. That was a very affordable price, Andy. And here goes the next one. Beige color and black color finishing. So golden zari stripe motifs vachayi all over the sari, and borders chudandi beautiful lace border icharu in black color, that too cut finish border. Very simple and elegant sarees and ivanni. The sari has got beautiful shine, and this is the pallu. Got this tassel here. Such a pretty tassel. So this is the finishing of the sari, and let me show you the blouse. So the blouse is in black color like this. So that's gonna look really beautiful and stylish for this sari. We've got this collar, and look at the details of the design, thread work, sequence. Lovely blouse Andy. And arms vachesi, this is the arm half. This is the front of the blouse, and this is the back of the blouse. This is how it is. So the price for this sari is 5,600. Next one in yellow. So very soft material, and you can wear it if you want to wear something very comfortable. It looks so elegant. You can take a single pallu, and this is the finishing. Just look at the borders, and such a beautiful embroidery. Green leaves, pink flowers, thread work lo chesaru, and tassel vachesi. This is how the tassel is. And blouse chupistanu. So this is the inner part, and the inner part of the blouse is like this, and on top of that, this is what you have to wear it. Such a lovely blouse. So very stylish, and arms are chasing half like this. And the price for this sari is 7,400. Next sari chusedam in navy blue color. So plain charu body of the sari and borders. So the beauty of the sari is all the saris are actually plain Andy. So you can wear it for office purpose or any functions, and they've given the borders so beautifully. So finishing of the sari is just amazing. So we've got this beautiful hand work and mata, cut work, border, cut finish border, and golden prints kuda unnayandi. If you can see the details of this sari. And this is the pallu, along with the tassel here, white color floral tassel. And let me show you the blouse. Blouse is like this. Beautiful work, moti and chamki work and mata, and blouse lo check motifs, and this is the half size blouse, half arms and free size blouse, so there should not be any problem with the size. Back lo zip icharu anamata, and the price for this sari is 6,600. So here goes another sari, another yellow color and plain sari, and border వచ్చేసి cut work వచ్చాయి, grey color finishing. Simple and elegant sari, and this is the pallu finishing with the tassel. Simple lace finish and beautiful tassel. Look at it. This is the finishing of the border. And let me show you the stylish blouse for this sari. This is how it is. Very stylish and elegant. And we've got this finishing yellow color look. Neck lo work vachayandi. You can see the sequins and the thread work anamata. And this is the last sari from our beautiful collection. 5,100 is the price. So these are all office wear sarees. All the beautiful ladies, just take a screenshot immediately before you miss out on your favorite saree, because you have seen we have all single pieces. There's no repeated sarees, and this is the contact number. And these are the Google Pay numbers. So take a screenshot and send it across to us, and we will assist you happily. So this was a lovely sari which I have worn it. I hope you loved my sari too. See the details. And beautiful stylish blouses vachayandi. So that's all for now. I will soon get back to you with another collection. And please do take care of yourself and do not go outside. Emana nachindante, please tell us. We will book it for you. So that's all for now. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.